This is the Bosch POF 1400 router, and it forms part of the Expert DIY range. The powerful 1400 motor allows you to easily cut decorative edges, chamfers, grooves, dados, and rebates. This is one of the easiest and most accurate routers that I've used, with 3 stages of adjustment. A preset stopper, adjustable depth gauge, and fine adjustment. Perfect for intricate work and repetitive cuts. This particular plunge system works very well. Simply pull the lever to make adjustments and let it go to lock it, allowing you to concentrate more on the job at hand rather than fiddling with the locking mechanism. The router has a plunge depth of 55mm and can take 6 and 8mm as well as 1/4 inch bits. The speed is adjustable between 11,000 and 28,000 RPM, making it perfect for hard and soft woods, while the constant electronic system ensures the blade stays at a constant speed while cutting. It has a lock-off button for added safety, an easy spindle lock for bit changes, and a 2.5 meter cord. Other features include the guide fence that can be used to cut straight slots as well as circles with the pin attachment, a chip guard, vacuum attachment, and the work light all ensure clear view, and it also comes with a template guide, all in a neat storage box. This is definitely one of my favorite plunge routers to use in the workshop, and just one of the routing options available at Builders. For more, visit the Builders website or check out the YouTube channels.